Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a pop-up stopper in a bathtub. Okay, first thing you're going to need for this project, you're going to need a pair of channel locks. You're going to need plumber's putty, and you may need a new rubber seal for the pop-up stopper. I don't know, we haven't taken this one off yet, but we'll take a look. What you do, you get your channel locks, get in here and you remove this cover nut right here. Get that out of your way. Then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Notice in here there's a flathead screw. Turn that to the left, loosen it up, pull that thing out, and you'll see that there's a rubber gasket here, and that's what seals the stopper to the drain assembly. Okay? If you're trying to take a bath and water's constantly draining out and it's not staying in the tub, this is probably your problem. All you need to do is remove this rubber washer, get you a new one, slip it right back on, and just put it right back together just the way I showed you. Put it back in. Take your flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's sitting up there straight. You don't want to cross thread it. Get it in there, get it nice and tight. Put your little cover nut back on. And you're good to go. If you got any questions about this topic, you can reach me at jnchomerepair.com.